What's up guys, Pat here with S&S Archery, and today we're taking a look at the Spider Archery Products Quick Disconnect. If your stabilizer is too long for your bow to fit in your bow case, or you just want to break it down and make it a little bit more easy to transport, one of these quick detach might be awesome. I'm running it in conjunction with one of their offset brackets, but just this small cylinder here works by a quick twist and it slides out, and you're fitting that into that notch there. It's really, really simple, easy to use. Slide the guy in and tighten it up, and it's rock solid. Installation's super easy. I took the extended bracket off here just to show you how you can put it on your regular bow. On the actual stabilizer side, you're just attaching or detaching this small piece of metal here. It should thread right onto your stabilizer stud. On the bow side, there's a large Allen key inside the end of the receiver here. This guy's gonna go up against your bow like that, and we're just gonna slide this guy right in. And you can kind of attach it right here. Pretty easy. Once you get this started, obviously you can angle it off to the side. I don't know why you'd want to, so use the emblem on top. There's a Spider Archery emblem to kind of center it and keep everything vertical, and then give this guy a nice snug tighten. Cool. There are two different sides to this. You'll see it has a flat side as well as a curved side. The curved side's made to match the radius of this. So just pop the flat side down, give it a couple twists, and you're back in business. As always, guys, if you have any questions about this quick detach or anything else we sell for your backcountry hunts, shoot us an email, give us a call, and if we don't pick up, we're probably on the mountain.